Today we are changing the cluster from this to this. This is a full digital cluster. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, you heard it. We are installing a new digital cluster for the 370Z. Yes, we are. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I haven't found anything that fits the OEM dash feel. That was a huge thing for me, and I couldn't find anything on the market. But I have found something. Yes, this one right here from Nifty City, a plug-and-play digital cluster. I want to hear what you guys think about this new digital cluster that will be going in the 370Z. So, all right, let's go. This may piss off some enthusiasts and some purists out there who love their analog, but look, listen to me, right? The dash is black. Why is there like a brush like aluminium plastic here? It sticks out like a sore thumb. It looks outdated. It looks like it's from the era of Windows XP, right? Like it's that type of oldness. Well, I want to change the visual of the cockpit of when I'm driving, so when I actually drive it feels nice. When outside feels nice, you need the inside to feel nice too, because you spend most of your time inside the car, right? So we got the box here. Let's unbox it and let's see what goodies we have inside. I would hope they would have some padding because it is like fragile. So good thick padding, which is nice. Right off the bat, we've got the cluster right in front of you. Sheesh, this looks so clean, bro. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at the buttons. Have you guys ever felt buttons and it wasn't satisfying, or like it feels weird? But these buttons actually feel really, really nice. The cover's really good. The screen, big. The backside has all the plugs, really clean design. All the mounting points, like stock mounting points. So that's a really, really big plus. This should be a really simple, straightforward install. We have this USB cable. We got a HDMI cable as well, where you can sync the CarPlay from the tablet onto this screen as well. The brackets and the screws that are needed, that we need to use obviously to mount it in. The thing that powers everything to the car, the harness. Nice. That's all we need. If you're liking how this looks already, I'm going to drop a link in the description below. Use Fauzi at checkout. I got you guys. Sheesh. Bro. Right behind the steering wheel, there's these two like plastic tabs here. You need to take those off to expose the screws behind them. These two screws need to come out, and there's another one at the bottom here, so you can take off this bottom part of the dash. Right under there. Right behind this hood latch here, we have the pleasure of tearing this down. The reason why we have to take off this bottom part and this part here is because there's 4 bolts or screws that holds this cluster in. Taking these out, we need to take off this screw right underneath where you can adjust the steering wheel position, just right next to that lever. Bang. So the bolts that are connecting the cluster to the actual like dash or steering column is these 2 bolts on this side, and there's 2 bolts on the other side as well. I think they're a 10 mil. By my estimations, they feel like a 10 mil. There's these harness clips here that you need to take off. Fit pliers in them, or you push one side in and then towards the front of the car. There you go. So that harness clip is unclipped. Now we got to disconnect all these connectors. These connectors, they're always a pain for me. This is why I'm not good at electrical stuff, because I don't like this stuff. It hurts my fingers. I should buy tools for this, eh? 2 out. This harness is connected to that bracket there. Let's see how I can take this off. Just a cable tie. I just fiddled around. There was like a latch. Oh, this latch here. This latch here is connected into these tapes on the harness. Before we actually put this in, we do need to transfer this cover to here. That's pretty much the only thing we need to transfer over. Bro, that fits so nice. That means we get to see this start up. I grabbed the HDMI cable and the USB cable because you can actually hook up the cluster to your tablet, and so it syncs up together and it does all very nice things. You don't have to if you don't want to, but the option's always nice. Just making sure it goes behind all these panels and stuff, and it's also not intruding in any way or form. Next thing we need to do is odometer. You guys are probably thinking, how is the odometer going to be read? The best part about it, everything's plug and play, piggyback harness, everything syncs up. I'll show you how we can do that, and you don't lose your odometer reading on this. So you take your piggyback harness here and you plug the female into the car. Satisfying click. We do get to see this start up. Oh, okay. I'm kind of nervous. Sheesh. Oh, brother. So as you can see, that's the odometer transferred over. Exact same. Bro, this looks crazy. Oh, this looks so good. Everything's synced up. We're all good to go. Starts up nicely. Look at the combo. Look at the combo. We can disconnect this. We put that aside and we can plug everything else back in. Stock standard theme, you've got pretty much everything you need on a cluster. I need to change the miles and the mph to kph and kilometers. That's your errors. Oh, here's the settings. So theme, we'll go okay. Your scroll buttons are your brightness buttons. So I'm guessing it's theme 1, theme 2. Let's see what this looks like. Jeez. Bro, this looks nice. I like this one. So unit, temp unit, Fahrenheit, change that to Celsius. Distance unit, miles, kilometers. Great. Fuel unit. Go to that. Pressure bar, we go PSI. Speed unit. Way better. Car settings, options. Oh, you set your upshift. Does this mean it flickers when you need to upshift? Yo, okay, let's put this at 4600. Tire pressure sensor, we go off. Seatbelt light on. Airbag light. Oh, the airbag light actually goes off. Bro, let's go. This is huge because I don't have a steering wheel airbag, so I'm happy that light's off. Reverse beeping. I don't have any sensors, but if you have reverse sensors on your car, red line 7500, you can change. Oh, true. I'll keep it there. Go back, maintenance. You can set all your maintenance things. Set time. Sure. Okay. True. I like this. I like it. It's got, that's so cool. All the lights are there. Handbrake is up. We'll put handbrake down. That goes off. Bro, sensors are working. Let's see, seatbelt. Seatbelt works. I really like this. Oh my goodness. I really like this. Nice. The digital class light is in the 370Z. Seeing this behind the steering wheel, it just changes the feel so much. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys are interested, go down in the description below and get yourself one of these, and use Fauzi at checkout. By the way, use Fauzi. Click that like and subscribe down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much. Thank you. Take care. Peace. Bye. Oh, let's go.